Welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear student, in previous class I discussed about how we write formula, what is radical, what is symbol. Now in today's lesson I shall discuss about how a chemical equation is represented or what is the chemical equation. Look student, what is chemical equation? It is the symbolic representation of a symbolic representation of a chemical reaction in the form of symbol and formula. Okay, it is the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction in the form of symbol and formula. Look, in this in this equation I write some one example of the chemical equation. Look, N2 gas plus H2 gas form NH3 gas. Okay, look here student, in the left hand side of the equation it is called reactant. What is reactant? In the left hand side of a chemical equation is called reactant, and it is the product. Okay, now if anyone asks you what is reactant, now the substance which take parts in reaction. The substance which take parts in reaction. Okay, clear student? The substance which take parts in reaction is called reactant. And what is product? After consume of chemical reaction or after occurrence, what is product? After occurrence of chemical reaction, the newly formed substance. After occurrence of chemical reaction, the newly formed This is called product. Okay, clear? Now, what is the rule for writing chemical equation? Okay, what is the rule to write any chemical equation? Look, then what I say, the rules for writing chemical equation. Rules for writing chemical equation. Okay, look, rule 1. What? The reactant are always placed at left hand side. The reactants are placed in the left hand side, and the products are placed in the right hand side. Okay, the reactants are placed in the left hand side and the products are placed in the right hand side. Then number 2, the plus sign is add. The plus sign is added between two or more than two reactants. Okay, the plus sign is added between two or more than two reactants. Okay, number 3 or number C, the products are writing on the right hand side and they are also give plus symbol if more than two or more than two products are formed. Okay, now if the reaction, if the equation is not in balanced form, then use arrow sign. Okay, if the equation is not in balanced form, then use arrow sign. Clear? Number D or 4, if the equation is in balanced form, give equal sign between reactant and product. Okay. E. State symbols of S, L, G for represent the state of reactant and product. S for solid, L for liquid, G for gas. F. Sometimes delta sign is used above the arrow sign to represent heat is required for that reaction. G. Sometimes arrow is used to represent the liberation of gas, and this arrow is used to represent the precipitation of substance. Okay. Generally, these rules are followed to write any chemical equation. In next class, I shall discuss about what is the rule to balance any chemical equation. Okay, thank you for watching.